Hello friends, in the last video we have seen how to solve two-stage problem of sections of solid, how to draw the two views from given position of solid, how to locate the section plane, how to draw sectional view and true shape of the section. Today we are going to see one more problem on sections of prism. The question is, a hexagonal prism has a face on the HP and the axis is parallel to the VP. It is curved by a vertical section plane which makes an angle of 45 degree with XY and curves the axis at a point 20 mm from one of its ends. Draw sectional front view and true shape of the section. Assume base side of the hexagon as 25 mm and height 65 mm. The given solid is hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism, it is a polyhedra having top surface as a hexagon, bottom surface as a hexagon connected by the rectangles. This is a top face, this is a bottom face, and this is a rectangular face. The hexagonal prism has a face on the HP, means what? Out of these 6 rectangular faces, one of the face is on HP, and when the one face is on HP, means what? The axis is parallel to both HP and VP, and it will become perpendicular to the PP. So for the first step, what we are going to assume that the axis is perpendicular to HP, and we are going to start from the view appearing on the HP plane, that is the top view. So in the top view, you have to draw a hexagon of the given side, that is 25 mm. Then take the projections in the upward direction, and by taking the axis equal to 65 mm, draw the front view of the hexagonal prism. Here we are drawing the front view of the base on reference line because one of the face is on HP. Then as per given condition, rotate the front view by 90 degrees. So one of the face is on the reference line, hence we have taken that CD RS face perpendicular to XY in the first stage top view, because either you can tilt this on this FUPA face or SRCD face. So tilt the front view means you have to redraw this front view, making this RS line horizontal. By taking the dimension, locate the given points and complete the front view and top view. Top view will be a rectangle. You have to complete the top view by taking projections from the front view and by taking the projections from previous top view. According to that, you have to locate the respective corners of the top face and bottom face of the rectangular prism. Then next step is what? Locate the section plane and mark the sectional point. Section plane in the given problem, the section plane is, it is curved by a vertical section plane. Vertical section plane means what? Vertical section plane is a section plane AVP, that is perpendicular to the HP and inclined to VP. If a section plane is perpendicular to HP, it will be seen as a line in top view. Means what? Vertical section plane, the word it's clear that you have to draw the section plane in the top view. How to draw the section plane? Here the given condition is what? Which makes an angle of 45 degree with XY and curves the axis at a point 20 mm from one of its ends. See, this is the axis. These are the two ends of the axis. This is the first end and this is the second end. The section plane is passing from a point on the axis which is 20 mm from one of the ends. So you may take 20 mm from this point or you may take 20 mm from this point. I have taken 20 mm from the right point, and here you have to draw a section plane that is line inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Then you have to draw this line with the help of center line, making it ends thick. Then mark the sectional point. This is the first sectional point. This sectional point is on the edge on the edge BQ. This is the edge BQ. So this is on the edge BQ. Then here there are two sectional points. The sectional points are the points that are developed by the intersection of the section plane and the edges of the prism. Here there are two sectional points. The one sectional point is AP edge, one is on the AP edge, and second one is on CR edge. Second one is on the CR edge. Then this point no need to take because this is on the axis. The next sectional point is here 6 3. His name is given to you 6 3. The 3 point is on FU edge and 6 point is on DS edge of the prism. Then this is there again there are 2 points 4 and 5. The names are given. One point is on ED edge and second point is on EF edge. Then you have to transfer these sectional points in the upward direction to complete the sectional front view. How we are going to transfer these points in the upward direction? By simple, this one point you have to draw simple vertical line. You have to transfer this point on which edge? BQ. So this is a BQ edge. So this is 1 point. Then 2 and 7, 2 point is on AP. So transfer this on AP. This is A point, this is P point. So this is on AP 2 point. Then 7 point is on RC. So this is RC, this is 7 point. Then 3 point is on FU and the 4 point is on DS. Sorry, 6 point is on DS. So this is 3 point on FU and 6 point is on DS. Then how to transfer these 4 and 5 points? We can't transfer these 4 and 5 points directly with the help of vertical line. Instead of that, what you have to do, you have to transfer these 4 and 5 point with the help of you have to transfer this 4 and 5 point with the help of horizontal line in the previous stage top view. So you have to transfer this 4 and 5 point with the help of simple horizontal line on this ED and EF edge of that hexagonal prism. Then from that you have to transfer this vertically on the front view 4 and 5 point. Then by taking distance of 4 point and 5 point from B dash or E dash point, here you have to take B dash and E dash the same point at the center and cut arc here and here. So you will get the 4 and 5 point. Then join these points by proper sequence, and in that you have to draw the hatching lines. This completes your sectional front view. Then you have to draw the true shape of the section. Here the section plane is inclined to XY or inclined to VP. So here you have to draw another section plane, another plane that is known as auxiliary plane parallel to this previously drawn section plane. So here you have to draw X1 Y1 line which is parallel to this previously drawn section plane. Then you have to transfer all the sectional point, that is 1, 2, 7, 3, 6 and 5, 4 with the help of projectors. Projectors you have to draw perpendicular lines to this X1 Y1. Then this X1 Y1 line means this XY line. So how we are going to complete this true shape? First we are going to mark this 1 point. 1 point is here at this 1 dash point. So you have to take the vertical distance of 1 dash point from the XY line. This distance you have to take in your compass. Here the projector for 1 is this. Then this point O double dash as a point as a center. O double dash point as a center. Cut an arc this on this vertical on this projector from 1. So you will get 1 double dash point. Then we want to locate 7 point. 7 point is on the same XY line. So here this is 7 double dash. then 2 point. So you have to take 7 dash to 2 dash a distance, this vertical distance in your compass, this 7 double dash at the center, cut arc on the line from 2 point. So this 2 double dash, then 6 point is on the same line, so this is 6 double dash, then 3 double dash, you have to take 6 dash 3 dash distance in your compass, 6 double dash at the center, cut arc here, this is 3 point, then take distance of 5 dash from this xy line, mark here 5 double dash, take distance of 4 dash from this xy line, vertical distance 4 double dash, join these points with the help of thick continuous dark line, then you have to draw here hatching lines. This is a true shape of the section. Also you know that here is the observer position, the portion between the observer and cutting plane is assumed to be removed, so this portion is assumed to be removed, that you have to retain with the help of thin continuous bent line, and the remaining edges of the prism you have to draw with the help of thick continuous dark line. Hope you have understood that. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.